If you want to build your arms quickly, try these exercises to make your arms big and perfect. The first exercise, the dumbbell hammer curl, targets the biceps, long head, brachioradialis and brachialis. Try this exercise this way, even with light weights. You'll find the exercises very effective. Make sure not to use your body's movements to help you lift the weights. Use only your arm muscles to get the most out of them. If you're performing the exercise with heavy weights, perform 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. If you're a beginner, perform 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Restoration time, 30 seconds between sets. The second exercise, the seated Zottman curl, targets the biceps, long head, brachioradialis and brachialis. Thanks to the grip change, a wider range of muscle fibers are activated, increasing the effectiveness of the exercise. Use moderate weights that allow you to comfortably perform 10-15 repetitions. Feel free to adjust the weight according to your fitness level. Perform 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Rest time, 30 seconds between sets. Make this exercise part of your routine for better arm training results. Dumbbell standing inner biceps curl is an effective exercise that targets the inner biceps muscles, helping to improve the appearance of your arms. Choose a weight that allows you to comfortably perform 10-15 repetitions. Slowly raise the dumbbell to shoulder level, then slowly lower it and repeat with the other hand. Movement control is very important in this exercise. Control each movement, focusing on the biceps. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Rest time, 30 seconds between sets. Another benefit of this exercise is that it contributes to improving muscle endurance, which allows for better performance of other exercises. Exercise 4. Alternating dumbbell curl. Targets biceps, long head. Avoid hunching your back or using your body's strength to help lift the weights. Holding your hands in this position activates more muscle fibers, enhancing effectiveness. It helps improve muscle endurance as it requires extra effort to maintain this position. Keep your elbows close to your body throughout the movement. This helps target the biceps more effectively. Number of reps and sets, 3 sets of 10-15 reps per arm per set. Respite time, 30-40 seconds between sets. Exercise 5. Incline bench, easy curl, bar tricep, extension, targets long head, triceps. Sit on an incline bench at a 30-45 degree angle. Make sure your back is well supported. Use a weight you can fully control. Lift slowly and focus on stretching the muscles. Avoid shoulder pressure. Keep your shoulders relaxed. To increase the effectiveness of this exercise, you can combine the incline close grip bench press exercise without rest. Combining 2 different exercises that target the same muscle increases stimulation, leading to greater muscle fiber growth. It helps improve overall strength, as each exercise targets a different part of the muscle. 3 sets of 6-8 reps per exercise. Restoration time, 30-40 seconds between sets. Exercise 6. Seated dumbbell waiter biceps curls. Targets long head biceps. Use a weight you can control without losing technique. Make sure your back is straight and your elbows are close to your body throughout the exercise. Lift the weight slowly, focusing on the contraction at the top. Slowly lower the dumbbells to the starting position, maintaining control of the movement. Perform 3 sets of 8-12 reps. Rest time, 30-40 seconds between sets. Exercise 7. Cable triceps pushdown. This exercise targets the lateral head triceps and is a basic exercise that can be included in any training routine. Choose the right grip. Use a straight grip or a V-shaped grip to vary the challenge. Keep your elbows close to your body and slowly push the cable down. Try to feel the muscle contract during the pushdown and upon returning. Avoid bouncing. Don't use a lunge to lift the weight. The movement should be deliberate. Try increasing the weight or number of reps in each set to stimulate muscle growth. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Restoration time 30-40 seconds between sets.
Exercise 8. Bench dip targets the entire triceps. This is a great exercise. Slowly lower your body by bending your elbows until they are at approximately a 90-degree angle. Push your body up using your triceps until your body returns to the starting position. Perform 8 to 15 repetitions in 3 to 4 sets, depending on your fitness level. Restoration time 30 to 40 seconds between sets.
Exercise 9. Cable overhead triceps extension. Targets the long head triceps. Lean your body slightly forward to improve targeting. Avoid overload. Use a weight that can be clearly held, which helps with complete control. Focus on the muscle. Feel the muscle contract with each lift, which enhances the effectiveness of the exercise. Perform 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Restoration time 30 to 40 seconds between sets. Exercise 10. Single arm cable curl. Targets biceps short head and biceps long head. This exercise helps improve strength and focus on each arm separately. Start with a slow, steady movement, focusing on contracting the biceps. Use only the arm, not the rest of the body. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Restoration time 30 to 40 seconds between sets. Exercise 11. Barbell reverse curl targets the brachioradialis and brachialis. Start with a light weight and slow the movement to support the muscles. Make sure your back is straight and your elbows don't move away from your body. Be careful not to use your back to lift the weight. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Restoration time 30-40 seconds between sets. Exercise 12. Rope hammer curl. Targets the brachioradialis and brachialis. Raise the rope toward your shoulders by bending your elbows, keeping your palms facing forward. Focus on contracting your biceps and forearms at the top of the movement. Slowly lower the rope back to the starting position, maintaining control. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Restoration time 30 to 40 seconds between sets. Exercise 13. Seated barbell back wrist curl targets the forearm. This exercise is effective for building wrist strength, so be sure to focus on proper technique to maximize its benefits. Begin by slowly raising your wrist upward, focusing on contracting your wrist muscles. Lift the weight using only your wrists without moving your forearms. Slowly lower the weight back to the starting position, maintaining tension in your muscles. Perform 3-4 sets with 10-15 repetitions per set. Restoration between sets is 20-30 seconds.